Hey guys, how you doing? On today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing on the Sony A6100 bundle I bought off of Amazon. So besides this, there's going to be a lot of little accessories and stuff that came with it. But first off, we're going to open this as quickly as possible. That way I can switch to recording the rest of the video on this, so you guys can see the difference of when I start recording on this and when I stop recording on the Logitech C920 webcam. Okay, so let's get it started. I don't want anything to fall out, so let me actually turn this. Alright. Okay, this thingy opens up here. It's got I guess the instruction manual, how to use the camera, different little booklets like that. Not really worried about that. Then in here, it has a bunch of little facts on, I guess, how to avoid getting dust inside of your camera. Pretty neat. Good to know. Then we actually get inside the box. Okay. Yeah, the little USB connector charger here. Charging cord for that. A little piece to the top of the camera. So when you take pictures, they look professional and you look badass doing it. Alright. Then we got the Sony neck strap for the camera. That we don't have to carry it all the time. Have your hands hurting. Talk about my hand hurt. You wearing on your neck. Don't be a little bitch. Alright. Then we got the actual battery for the camera. Okay. Move that aside. Okay, then I assume in the middle is the actual camera. So let me put this down for a minute. Ooh, it's wrapped nicely. Look at this. Ooh, okay, okay. That is not the most beautiful thing you ever did see in your life. You lost your damn mind. Alright, look, it comes with a little lens cap. This is the 16-50 lens right here. But I bought the kit that came with both lenses. So, reason I bought this over the Sony Sony A6000 is the Sony A5100 was the only one that had the flip up camera screen for vlogging and stuff like that. However, when they released the newer version, Sony A6100, screen comes all the way out and it folds over, and boom! You see everything you're recording right here like a professional vlogger. You're gonna be looking like goddamn David Dobrik out on the streets, making your own little vlog squad videos and everything. Alright, now that we got that open, let's finish opening what's in this box so we can swap over to actually recording on this camera. Okay, last thing in this box, which I'm assuming is the other lens, is really well wrapped. And unroll that bad boy. Okay, roll it poly. Okay, we got a cap for the lens, and it actually has a little protector. Both sides, huge lens. It's for taking pictures from longer distance and really good quality, as well as difference between this lens and this. This is a way wider lens because it's not focused enough to like go out that far. So this is the lens you want to use for getting wide shots and stuff like that. That isn't stuff way too far away. This is the lens you're going to want to use to get stuff further out, taking pretty ass pictures. And if you want to record for some reason at a distance. Alright. So, actually, before we swap to recording on the Sony A6100, I want to open this accessory first. That way I can actually set the camera on top of it. It's a little tripod, 12 inches. It's made for the Sony A6100. So we're going to open that one first. And then we'll actually record on the Sony A6100. So I can have the camera elevated. This is what it looks like. Beautiful little tripod here. And it's really sturdy. Ooh, it feels good. It's got like a rubberish grip on it. So in case you actually want to like walk around with a tripod and actually record while holding the camera. Instead of holding the camera in your hand like this the whole time, sit on top of the tripod, squeeze these little pieces together. Boom. You got a hand grip. And then, if you get mad at somebody, take that camera off, and you beat somebody's ass. That's a dull usage. Smart. Also, one other accessory I forgot to open first, before I can record the rest of the video, is the actual memory card. So I'm going to put this in the Sony A6100. Now we're going to record on that bad boy.
Hey guys, alright, now we're recording on the Sony A6100. This looks insane. Like, just looking at the clarity on the little LCD recording monitor, it's freaking ridiculous. Alright, so the other accessories, we're gonna get to that now. First off, it came with an HDMI to micro cable. That way you can connect it to a Elgato cam link or directly to your computer and everything. Pretty cool. Also came with 2 extra batteries, Kowa. I guess Sony trusts this brand because, well, I ordered the bundle from Sony and they put this in the bundle, so they apparently trust these batteries. It's a pretty cool little, okay, that's the cord. 2 batteries and a little LCD charging kit, which indicates when the batteries are charged right here with the little LED lights. Alright, so besides that, let's hop on over to the next thing. I feel like I should raise the camera. It's like trying hard to, well, I'm trying to focus myself down here. I should use a taller tripod. But besides that, we also have the focus bag that came with it. And alright, let's open this. Okay, there's a lot of goodies in here, but look at this. Even the bag comes with a limited year warranty on the freaking bag, man. Focus up. That's nice. Alright. Oh, this is how the bag looks, by the way. I unstrapped it. This was down here. But, alright. So, okay. We got a little card reader. Okay, wait, let me pop this out so I can show you guys. Oh, that's pretty convenient. It just slides right up. Okay, so there's a little card reader. Open this bad boy up. Has card readers on this side. Oh, there we go. SD, you can put micros in there. And then if you turn it around, other side is also for cards. So you can literally put every single size memory card in here. Pretty convenient little tool right there. So you can connect it to the computer and get off what you want. So, alright, next up. Oh, okay, I don't want to show that one on the back. But it's right here. Comes with all these programs that are for me to edit my pictures, videos, Painter Essential, I don't know. It's all kinds of editing programs for stuff related to usage of the camera. So we'll put that over there. Have a strap for the bag in case you don't want to hold it from the top. Put it over your shoulder. Walk around like a badass holding this bad boy. Oh, okay, that fell. We have a lens band, which is to prevent your lens from creeping, which shouldn't happen unless you have like an old lens that doesn't stay in place. But that's pretty cool, have it in case it happens. We have little filter kit, UV filter, circular polarized filter, and a fluorescent filter. Even the filters Look what it says in that corner right there. 1 year warranty. Even on that. Woo! That's nice. That is nice. Alright. We also have a 1 year warranty on this. Okay, Focus stands by their own products like a beast. Gives you a 1 year warranty on every damn thing they got. It's a DSLR Pro hand grip. So, you're tired of holding your camera like this, put it on your wrist. I mean, you're still going to hold the damn camera, but you can let it pretty much hold most of the weight on your wrist. I don't know why you would do that. You don't want to fuck up your camera. But, it's there. In case maybe you have butterfingers and you drop your shit all the time. It's not going to happen with this. That shit going to stay right there. It's right there. It didn't go nowhere. Don't worry about it. Alright. Little memory card wallet. Pretty neat. Let's open that up. Fit a couple memory cards in there. Pretty nice. Look, it got a strap. You can put this bad boy on your belt. You can put it on your belt. Be a bad bitch with that shit on your belt. Okay. This is a UV lens protector filter. So, I guess you put the little filters from that other kit I opened up a second ago inside this so they don't get damaged. And, okay. We also have, okay, that's just them telling you to follow their Instagram and stuff like that. Promoting their own stuff. I like that. This right here is a fucking surprise box. No idea what's in here, but they left it a surprise. So we're gonna open that bitch up right now. Get a little knife. Okay. Safety first, put that away. Alright. Okay. This is obviously another cleaning kit. It's got like I'm pretty sure there's a lens cleaning kit. It's got the little liquid in there. It's got some Q-tips and a little rag. It's also got this little measurement clear utensil, I guess, to use for cleaning. I'm not really sure exactly what that is for. I will figure that out. That's what was in the bag, or the box, mystery box. Then we have a bunch of these things. They are to make little dividers in the camera bag and put stuff how you want. You can get a little creative, like you building with Legos or something using this, but you can customize how you want it inside. The bag also has two side pouches over here. Put extra batteries in there. Put your little memory card and stuff in here. Don't have any idea what you can put in. Oh, little UV filters. Okay, okay, this bag got it all. This is a nice bag. And, alright. That is pretty much it. Oh, wait a minute. We did have this in here. But my dog, being a little loot goblin, grabbed the fucking packaging of this. Hold on, give me 1 second. This was also in here. My dog, being a little loot goblin, grabbed this shit and started to run off with it. So, of course, I got it back. And it had this in here. This is also a lens cleaner. It, okay, that comes out. It's a little brush. Just get lint and dust off your lens. Then the other side, oh wait, that's a cap. Okay. This side, it's to massage the lens in like a circular motion to clean it as well. Pretty cool. And since it is a Focus product, of course it's got some warranty on there. Let's see how much. This one has Okay. This little thing is spill proof. It is 500 uses minimum. It's got a long life. And it is a 3-year warranty on this thing. Okay, so I will be using this apparently sometime. But, however, that is the end of the unboxing. I will link the bundle I bought specifically down below. I freaking love this camera. I'm just staring at it and I'm like, whew, it's freaking insane. Alright, so I will link that down below. I will be learning how to use this camera. It does link up with an Elgato Cam Link, so you can use it for streaming, as well as pictures and everything. It has 4K on here. It's got 1080p. You can go up to 120 frames per second on that. It's got 4K recording up to 30 frames per second, which is awesome. I believe that's what it's recording on now. It looks insane. Look at this. Look how clear that is. You can see everything. You see the wrinkles. You can see the damn pores on my nose. Whew, I am fucking old. Okay, let's not do that again. But, yeah, alright. Everything will be linked down below. If you guys enjoy my content, leave a like. Please subscribe to the channel. Let me know. Comment down below. And, alright guys. Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to brush your teeth and wash your asshole. Until the next video, guys. Peace.